Hey everyone, welcome. This is the video you have been waiting for because I'm going to announce the winners to my contest to win, well, two DJI Mavic Minis. So like this, but not with the case. I bought the case and I made the case, and this is actually a Fly More combo in here. I'm actually giving away the Mavic Minis, not the Fly More combo, because I can't afford to give away two of those. But I can give away two DJI Mavic Minis, brand new. All right, so I said I would do that when I reached 150,000 subscribers, and what's that say back there? This says, if I don't press all the wrong buttons, I have 154,000 subscribers. Hopefully that's kind of in focus now that it's at my head. And what time is it right now? Well, it is a Friday, and if I click this, it should go to the time. There we go. So my time here in Canada is 10:52 a.m., and it is sunny and cloudy outside. All right, so now let me get my laptop here and show you a few things to find the winners for this contest. All right, so I have my laptop here, and what I'm going to do is, well, see if I can do a screen record. So give me a second. All right, I think I have that set up correctly. We're going to find out. Hopefully you see a screen recording someplace over here. Let me move this out of the way. So someplace over here, there'll be a screen recording. I'll show you what's going on. All right then, so the first thing to show you, this is the video. I'm going to go through this really fast, guys, because I have to get to work. Yes, I have a day job, and I'm going to be late for my day job if I don't get out of here soon. All right, so first thing is the video, and then in that video I asked 3 questions. Where did I put the 3 questions? Now I stuck in another tab here. So you see question number 1, you just have to put your first name and your first initial of your last name. Question number 2 is what country do you live in? And it had to be in one of those countries where DJI can ship the product to you. So here we go. Question number 3 on the DJI Mavic Mini website, there is a video. Watch the video and stop it at 7 seconds. There is graffiti on the building. There is a large word in green paint. What is the word? I have it stopped someplace here. I think I do. Where the heck did I put it? There we go. Let me make it bigger, and you can see the word in green is pretty. So if you have pretty, you got it right. On the usamazon.com website, there are Freewell Bright Day filters. The filters are ND and PL. What does PL stand for? And the answer is on, well, that Amazon webpage, so I'll go right to it. There we go. There's the filters. And if you scroll down, it's going to tell you all about it. And it's going to tell you what PL stands for. And it's right there. I'm going to highlight it just in case no one ever found it, but I know everybody got this right. Polarizing lens. 5th question. You can see I made these very, very easy. On the Canadian Amazon.ca website, there is an antenna signal booster. For the Mavic Mini, it comes in 4 types, colors, configurations. Just name the 4. So if you go to that website, let me find it here, and there it is, and you can see they're right there. Black aluminum, black copper, gray aluminum, gray copper. So those are the 5 answers you should have. All right, let's go see who's the winner. So I've already loaded the page on the YouTube picker. Where did I put that? YouTube picker over here. And it says enter your YouTube video URL. I already did that. I filtered duplicates because I already warned everybody if you put multiple answers from the same YouTube account, they get filtered out. Anyway, so we got, after all that, we ended up with 6,467 comments. You can see it down here. And I just have to go hit this little start button, and we'll see what happens. Are you excited? All right, so let me click on the button and see what happens. Names flying by, names flying by. Let's see. And who do we get? We have a guy from Sweden, Peter Gusson. So Peter G, Sweden, pretty. Spelt, I guess, differently because he's not English, but you get the point. Anyways, polarizing lens, yeah, that's close. And black aluminum, black copper gray, black aluminum, black gray. All right, I got to write this name down because I believe you might be a winner. All right, let's pick another one. Hit that start button. Names flying by. Who's it going to be? Come on, pick a name. Shaw Dawkins. Oh my God, Shaw Dawkins. I really need another coffee. So his first name is Brad. Oh, he's from Canada. Hey, Sean. Pretty, yes. Polarizing lens, black aluminum, black blah, 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 and all the other good stuff. He's got it. So there we go. We have our 2 winners. All right, guys. That's it. I have to get to work. Thanks for joining in this contest and trying your hand at winning. You can see that it's not that hard. My contests are very simple. The next giveaway, Well, the next planned giveaway is going to be obviously at 200,000 subscribers, but I might have one before that. You never know. Sometimes I just give away stuff at random because companies contact me and say, hey, we want to give away this big drone, and I'll have a contest. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Congrats to the winners, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.